Welcome to Outgrow. In this video, we'll show you how to create an interactive acne awareness quiz that educates visitors about acne while keeping them engaged through fun and informative questions. Let's explore the Johns Hopkins Medicine quiz. Users are presented with a series of educational questions such as, what part of the skin does acne affect? Where does acne most often show up? Which of these causes acne? Which of these things makes it more likely that blackheads will form? Which hormone triggers acne in teens? These questions help visitors learn more about acne, clear up common misconceptions, and better understand skin health through an engaging quiz experience. Now let's see how to build this using Outgrow. Start by logging into your Outgrow account. Click on Quiz. You can either start from scratch or choose a ready-made template. Outgrow offers 1,000 plus professionally designed templates and layouts that help you create engaging quizzes quickly and easily. After selecting a template, customize it according to your brand and audience. On the welcome screen, add a headline and a short description. For example, add the headline, "How much do you know about acne?" and the description, "Test your knowledge of acne, its causes, hormones, and skin health." Take this quiz to discover whether you're an acne awareness beginner or a skin health expert. Now, let's add a few questions inside the quiz to make it engaging and educational. You can tweak the wording or add new questions like, which type of gland produces excess oil that contributes to acne? Which skincare habit can help reduce acne breakouts? Which age group is most commonly affected by acne? Which common belief about acne is actually a myth? You can continue adding similar questions about acne prevention, symptoms, treatments, and skincare to create a comprehensive educational experience. Next, move to the Result or Outcome screen. This is where you define personalized outcomes by adding conditional logic, such as acne awareness, beginner, skincare learner, acne knowledge pro, skin health expert. Add helpful descriptions for each outcome so users understand their knowledge level while learning useful skincare facts and recommendations. Now let's map the answer field of each question so users receive accurate scores based on their selections. Now it's time to design. Head over to the Design tab. Here you can customize your logo size and change the colors of the background, questions, answers, buttons, and other components. You can also add clean healthcare-inspired visuals and skin health imagery to create a professional and trustworthy experience. Before showing the results, you can also enable a lead generation form. For example, you can ask for name, email address. This allows you to capture qualified leads while providing valuable educational content. Once everything looks good, click Go Live to publish your quiz. You can now share the live URL embedded on your website, publish it on healthcare blogs, add it to patient education pages, or promote it through social media, newsletters, and awareness campaigns. And that's it. You've now created an interactive acne awareness quiz using Outgrow that educates visitors, boosts engagement, and makes learning about skin health more interactive and enjoyable. Ready to create your own acne awareness quiz? Start building engaging, educational, and high-converting interactive experiences with Outgrow. Start your 7-day free trial today